Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
The essential ingredients for a classic Thai curry include coconut milk, for a rich and creamy base, curry paste, red, green, or yellow, which provides depth and heat, fish sauce, for umami and salty hints, palm sugar, for a touch of sweetness to balance flavors, and Thai basil or lime leaves, for aromatic freshness. Depending on the curry, proteins such as chicken, beef, or tofu, and vegetables like bamboo shoots, bell peppers, and eggplant are also pivotal. Fresh lime juice is often added at the end for brightness.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.